Hi, I'm Simon from the Red Ferret, and before we start this video I want to ask you to subscribe and click the bell button down below to stay updated on our latest, greatest, most awesome content on the space of YouTube. Let's get cracking with the video! So in front of me I have something I've wanted to try for a very long time. This is a 3D pen from Banggood. Electric heating nozzle, integrated and compact design, convenient for maintenance and replacements. The slender pen body suits hands habit. The stepless speed change by single hand. Intelligence standby mode, super silence design. So it's Chinese, as you've probably already guessed. And you can make 3D art with this. Yeah, I know what you're gonna say. This is just a hot glue pen. Well, yeah, but it's a 3D pen. It's something different. Shut up. I'm a bit worried what this thing will do because I don't want to burn myself. Do not touch. I hope this also doesn't explode. I'm going to read the manual first. I never read manuals, but for this I will read the manual because, yeah. I'm also not that creative, so I don't know what I will make. Maybe a bicycle. Yeah, bicycle. Oh, looks pretty cool. Bicycle. Good idea, Simon. Lord filament button. I think this should be load filament button or something. So you can adjust the temperature of this device by rotating this little thing in here. I'm not going to touch that. The instructions are very unclear for me. I think this is for the filament or something. Ah, man. Okay, so I'm just going to plug this in. We'll see. I don't have a fire extinguisher in neighborhoods in the area, so this is going to be good. If it burns, then it's on camera, so yeah, that will be a good video probably. Let's see. This is my first time trying this, so if I'm doing something wrong, you will probably notice it. Oh! Oh! Oh, this is getting... Woo! No. Power LED, working LED. Okay, this smells burnt, like for real. This is scary for a little bit. I'm just doing this on my table. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, now there's something coming out. Okay. What do I do now? Okay. So I have to do this in a 60-degree angle. It keeps coming out. It keeps coming out. It keeps dripping. Holy, no. Okay. I don't know what's happening actually. Okay, so let's try to make something, Simon. Come on. Oh, that's warm. Okay, it's the other way around. Okay. Now I get it. Okay, so let's try and make a bike. How? Woo! This is my bike. Oh god. Oh man. This is way more difficult than I imagined. Is there something easy I can make? Is there like a picture on here? 3D pen. What can you make with a 3D pen? Hello. What? How? Let's make a cube. Yeah, good idea. Okay, there's still a little bit of poop coming out. This thing. Ah, it's warm, man. Look at what I made. Oh wow. So I made this. Yeah. It's weird. And I made a bike. I have to say I actually enjoyed this. So if I want to take this out, I just do this. Wow, just look how much is in there. Stop. I gotta say, pretty cool. A lot of fun, but for children, I don't know. It's pretty hot and goes very fast, and you need to get the hang of it. But once you get the hang of it, yeah, you have a lot of colors to work with. I'm not that creative, so I made this. And a bicycle, which I am actually pretty impressed by. This can be a good start for you to get the hang of a 3D pen, but it's not up there with the very expensive ones. Right, I hope you enjoyed this funny video with me making something. Didn't really work out, but yeah. If you have any questions regarding this 3D pen, let them know in the comment section down below, and I'll be very glad to answer them. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below. If you didn't, leave a dislike and tell us why, so we can improve our videos. And I hope I'll see you, yes, you who's watching this behind your phone or behind your computer screen, I don't know, in our next video. Bye bye.